we are. Don't really know what any of that means yet. Here we are. Part 7. 7 from heaven. Yeah! We made it. So now, we got about this many. We've got to get up here somewhere. 20, 25 maybe. We're working it out. We're getting to that, to the new hope. We're getting there. We're getting to that one soon. But for now, we're at this magic step of remove transaxel gearbox Thingy Majigg, whatchamacallit, shiny doodah. So we're going to change it up after this episode. It's going to be a new theme. Because we're done pulling shit out nearly. We're done. So one last time, let's rip it.
Where to, what to believe in, where to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Toe the line, real time. Learn how to toe the line. Vicious lies, turn into real lies. You've been sold. Your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Oh, there we go. It's out. So we punched that other bolt out, which was that one somewhere. I've already set this one over here, maybe the cross member ones. Oh, I left it in there, that's right. There we are. So, that one, they might just have to get punched back in there before that goes back in. My goodness, that's in a spot. Let's see, get in here so we can drink her up. And get a decent angle here, move some stuff out of the way, maybe get a torch in here, that's where it was. There we go, so we're still stuck with that there. But we can probably get a ratchet in there now. Camera there, we lost the camera there for a second. We didn't damage that, did we? No, that's all right up there, that's all right. Oh, that's what we're looking at here. I'll grab a look on that bolt. We've munched a little. Oh, that's the top one. That's the bottom one there, it's not going to focus. Looks a little bit munched. Looks like I've gone probably yet onto it now. Let's try that, because I don't want to have to avoid that, because it's not really going to come back far enough to come out. Oh, lots of little trainee plugs in there. It's filthy as always, everything's filthy. But there's a big hole up in there now. I think that hole's always there, to be honest. I'm just amazed that we got this out. Hopefully we can get that out, because I think we still need to. But I'm going to have to leave it there and try and work around that, because that's going to be a problem. But we can probably take this cover off now and we can get a look gander at the flywheel. What have we got in here? We've got a bolt there. There won't be another one above that. Oh, there's a whole bunch of yuck stuff there. Yuck. Something looks alright actually, that's good. This part looks pretty dry. It's not too bad in there. There's probably just some seepage from elsewhere. Once we clean it all up, let it run a bit, then we'll be able to assess anything like that we can fix later. I'm just going to fix the clutch first. Probably should have covered that hole up while I was rooting around in here. Yo. Let's see if there's anything in there. Doesn't really look like it. It's stayed nice and clean. Yeah. How do I want to attack that? Probably in through there with a breaker bar and ratchet on that one. Let's break that out of there. Then, get back up to the land of the wheel, the vertical people. Then hopefully that's enough space to pull that back, because then I can leave that in there. That'll be ideal. That's going to help me guide it down. I've got that much ready to go down, so that'll get it down near the ground. Plan is to probably set a jack under this side, somewhere where it's going to hopefully balance. Hopefully we don't find out the hard way that it's not going to balance, because that'll be uncool. I don't really see this cover that they're talking about. There's supposed to be a cover here I've got to take off next. They just look like bell housing bolts. Bolts in that side, just these three down the bottom here in the front, I think. The ones on the front are already cracked on the top. So, yeah, we'll devise the next plan. I think the power steering pump's just got residue oil from motor oil on it. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. What do we want to do next? Okay, we'll work it out and you'll find out next. Yeah. That bracket's staying in there. That bolt is finished. And I've decided that I can probably still get it out. Like, I'm just hoping that I've got the clearance there. That's going to be the main concern. I don't know how long the shaft is. It's probably no doubt longer than that. So that could be a problem. Unless we work out some other way to... Maybe we might bolt the chains onto it. Take that bracket out. Yeah. Trying to find my bit that I want to get the rest of this out. So it's not been smooth sailing with that bolt. I cannot get it. You can't get an angle on it. You can't get anything like... You can't get the breaker bar in there, can't come from the top because there's just too much stuff in the way, and the wrench has that much play that it doesn't have any turn in between the bracket, and trying to come in long from the back, which I can access now, doesn't work. Trying to get underneath it with a wrench just strips it more. You either can't get it or you just strip it. You can't keep the wrench on there tight and heave it at the same time. It's getting painful. It's easy. It'll be easy, he said. It'll be easy. There we go. There's the bit that I need. Set my torch right next to it. So let's continue. Okay, so we've made some progression. We've got separation. So we're just trying to get her out now. Just a couple more pries. I've got a little bit stuck on that side, I think. I'll get the pry bar in there maybe and pry her out, but this is the setup. So hopefully we should just roll that back with the jack and then we can, not kill ourselves hopefully. Not drop the gearbox on the ground. Might get something soft for it to land on. Some extra, maybe an extra stand in there, just in case. Anyway, we're slow and steady now. Slow and steady. We're nearly there. This is good. Alright, had another interruption, so we'll just have a quick update here. We have separation. I believe the shaft is free. We're out of back play there. We're just jiggling around now, trying to wangle it out. I chucked an extra strap in there just to hold her in place, but yeah, you can see maybe just a touch of that shaft is still connected maybe. Plenty of play in it there, but so we're just coming back and down slowly, and I didn't really put much thought into this, but because when I let that go, that's going to go. So, but that just helps me be able to lower the jack and put the jack back there, readjust it and stuff. So there's a whole bunch of gunk in here, eh? Where is it? I put it out, set it aside, see how much we get. Don't know what that is. Maybe that's the clutch. That could explain something, couldn't it? Look underneath, see what it looks like under here. Oh, there's some more of it. See, it's all around the flywheel, jammed in there. It's got to be good. It's all up in the side, up in there. But yeah, we gotta get it past here too. This is just, but we got a little playroom there, so that's okay. We need to come back a little bit more. We can come back a little bit more. We've run out of room here. No, we got about that much more. We got a little fucking finger in there, so we're still going. We're still going. Hopefully, the next time we chat, it's gearbox sitting like maybe there, and not like dropped hard on the ground there. Still didn't put something underneath it, didn't I? But there's no room there anyway, so we go. So, as promised, there it is. Gearbox out. Throw out bearings, definitely thrown out. That's no good. I think this is like just random crap in there. I reckon that's probably maybe the seal off the bearing, because that was, found that jammed in the bottom of the firewheel, whatever that is. And here's, look at that. Let's get a look at this clutch we've been working on for, a few days. There's all sorts of gunk jammed in there. These teeth are just ruined. I reckon they're on the beyond the manufacturer's specifications. So looks like tomorrow, because I'm done for today, we're going to be fixing up this. What's this? Shards of friggin'... Oh, can we get that out? No. Look at this, whatever that is, jammed in there. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Get a quick look underneath. Looks okay on the outside. Hopefully the clutch hasn't damaged it. We don't need to take that off and get it machined or anything like that. See any evidence of leaking or anything. Sick. We got it. We there. We there, bar. We there.